Hey guys, welcome back to Terry Vault Trade. This morning I'm going to show you guys how to make a healthy quick breakfast, and it's going to equal to 40 grams of protein, guys. And it's something that I do regularly, and it's healthy, it's super lean. So if you're looking to lose weight, burn fat, or even build just lean muscle, this is a good healthy breakfast for you guys, and I'm going to show you guys right now. Alright guys, so if you see, I got my frying pan heated up right now. I just sprayed some olive oil. And we're gonna be adding a bowl of spinach. So I got it on a low cook right now. The temperature is very low. We're gonna be adding 1 cup of egg whites, and I have 2 whole egg. And we're gonna be using some pink salt, ground black pepper, and my olive oil that I just sprayed. I'm gonna let this cook at a very low temperature. Alright guys, as you see, I'm just letting it slow cook so the inside, it's not watery, it's going to be fully cooked. And you got maybe about less than a minute and it's done. I'll show you guys how it looks at the end. Alright guys, so there you go. 11.43 ounce. Oh my god, that's pretty heavy right there guys. So normally I'm going to cut this in half and eat it. So this is too much. Let's make a cut right now to show you guys. You can see the spinach and lots of egg whites, and that's my cat trying to get some, which he's about to get some with me. I just wanted to show you guys how perfect it looks. So this is 40 grams of protein, guys. You know, this is no joke of a breakfast. This is a piece of a breakfast. So we got spinach, egg whites, and eggs. Yay! So we got spinach, egg whites, and 2 whole eggs, 1 cup of egg whites. Alright guys, so if you're going to make your own, I'm going to leave the ingredients in the description box below. Make sure to click and check it out. And don't forget, if you're new to my channel, guys, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up to like my video. And stay tuned for more video, guys. Thank you for watching.